e fa tai ye no o tato por kalame tau te mo mia e o manga ia nga a wo ma paga si o tato ele ai se me o tu ele ai se me o kupu o e mangu o e le lava tu la utala te mana tu o e pe ai la tu ne yo ma tu e fangu o e e ele fangu e san san se ngo fo ma ye lunga san ele si fangu
ke o pa o la pa
ele si fangu voi dele Oli e la marca ma foi le que ia o la ver o le alo vingo le tala o le me o upu ale tu no e fai le mele o le matua mo e po ma le mo e tau fangu e fangu e ele teimi e malu e foi le teimi e vatu it's like a wake up call ele o vatua a bea o ia matapia le manaia ele ia foi mo o liu va ai o le tatou ngā luenga and this is why our Tautai Yae program e tau te ioe i lona i le whamaoni ma tūlanga o ma tā upu lau walunga nea ngai maua o mai vai ngai e ire ko mumusu e vo i le
e le lui
e ia na
e kaurui lui
kamaro suri i ki roi au ke fakura la ukala warenga sa kamaro e pi ko e failanga medical recharge foi e se la mele o vai
o le ready le kala como
suri e se
ka ngal mai va vola
le
pusi va vola le ready
que vai ficar kamaro pakar ko inga di sore e sere malo sire bo ke lo le ai la ngo o ele sire nga ngo fosia mai le tasia la me le ngo vai ku pe walu ora e me avui le fai mai e pe ngalu pe nga fa singa
mo chengchu
na sen me ga o mi sa ka ko so mai de chengchu ko inga fai de paka ngai fai ai la ia o me ia o vai Hong Kong o me nga ko malanga i ka vo yo mo po plaza vo
no Asian Chinese kung fu
fa pela ha o fai ngo menga it's your mental preparation ale que vai como o fia ele fa kur ko inga so de o ve villa i mer ko inga la o sa we marka mano de asir ya mala mane de ya cuida e pai ficaram mala mastui ya atele ele vai nga fai ole tato malolongo tato welcome la ia o le tausala ia Hanna ia nei vai nga lo le video watch ai nei vai nga o tato fa pitor Christmas ia marisio o vai nga to le silafia ai fa si fo mai o mapkai mar pesia ka malo misa ai fa si fo mai la tala mana ia yo vai nga le lento mai le fionga ya vui securities mole sunga la au le mali to fionga li Palemia now o ka ko yai le fa le mau kongu ke mi ngai le atawa the most trusted securities o aloa mafanga o sunga la au le mali to e sa ko ke ri vai ai na fa ta ya e le vai a ku re palanga ire se fa nga u fa pe foi le fa ngo mai fa de melea ka ke ri vai ai a ko filau ma nga me o malanga ele fa pe ele fa pe le para pala o porki e sa ora o dala ele fa pe tai mire nei ma tua dolo pulo e le puipuia ma e pau fo inga yo ka mai ki la fo ku lo de upo to e a willing e la fo i lo la to bola po le ale me kupu e puipuia i lo la ku kama io to tatu bla ye o te va ve tu la fo ina le security o le fionga le Palemia po le tatu tai o tatu dang o le o makanga luenga fo ile o le tasi le matanga luenga o le ma tu ale se fa tu nga le ma ada tulu mongyang e le fa pela o ngai leo ia le nga ya fo mai monga upo e masinga ile ku ya fo mai monga a faya ko ke le fa ko inga ia isi singia yo la ve mai ngai fa fa sainga yo ku sisira lono winga ele so na vave la foinga ka ko penga ma vave tu fawina le Malu Puipuia o le fionga le li parmia la esekia ma okupe alwa nga ia malo you agree with that late ta tau foi pa kupe ko kongi ai pasese o ka maiki felele I fakase file porika nga fa kula ukala e si le kula okupe e puipui I fangau atulo I tamaia alu ai kupe malo ngai lo le alu io
ku sa pe train mo ko ma singa
o
fa mai ngo yai le lo ha se si ia fa le palimia le leo como le leo security ngo como que le vetting ora ko ka kong
ma tua e leo
ko que é professional le actor como que foi ngone me
fa tu le se tala le e leo usila e ina leo na tu fia sile la fa tu no tu fia mana e tu sile fionga palimia ai ko ngala wa ye tembile nano ko foi ma o mo fionga lipule ele yo tele tuton a o leo ngi usila la nga waku marke ufungala au nga waku ko nginga leo ai ole mana ya malama le leo ele security protocol le foi mai I le valia ele so ele pio me ka ko nga vai ko la ko nginga leo mai leo ngi usila come in ele fa pena nga fa ngole
wai ko ru e ka mai ka me kia hia mai a tau resi e pesinga ko ma singa ro ku resi a tau resi ya ma ko security e ma mi ka ko se le nga ka ngai lo le e wa u le nga vai ka me kia la kama
leva mai o tasi fo io allo o le parmia e na te umia le laiseni mo le fa tawino le la I think yes o le la au malosi licensing so e malama le la ia skills matulanga fa pena ai o le si va nga le atu fa to ila utala o kupe arua nga ia malo e nga ngo fa ya le nga o kele yo I kupe ye arua le nga malo le fele le mai kai ko ro isi mingska le against le malo oe mama le fa la nga yer kai mine a pe no fa tu solo utala le e kai me malanga mai ile tu lo wa le fionga le tamai ministale tate ya por sui pal mifo ai ka ko vai ku me aron ko ro le fai mai e ke e fai nga malo a malanga la malo malanga parmia ya sui parmia ngar wa ile ala ya rungo ku per malo mai
e ke malo a fi fa
a fa le winga na lota so o fe like o ko la me ko ngormelia so we rather use le kupenga ave ya lo parmia ko ngi fe wa ye pui la ku kama
o ke le ka yo e se le coffee mai le makanga lo ba nga se le wa mafuka illa mafuka ngali le mal palimia mo le luos fuka sanga por fuka sanga lunga yo ke yo merga ele ko ma mis ka ko le fore le fe palimia fe ba le ako kusol le ave ako ele ma mi ko ngale lo ngai
ya ale si vai ngare na ya le tauti an tio e o ka ko ile tu ainga e o tatou tu ainga level fo ile le wa ko e back to normal trustworthy uma ka ngaka me uma leo ma ya vai ngala na tau tu ya fa velo ya tu Hanna ile dei vanga o le fi ya ilungo le porkalame le tauti ya ya masani foi malo se fo mnuia ya mai de ya so mo fofuanga.
Good evening, team. Yes, it's been a very busy day, a good day. Yes, I hope everyone is well.
Ko vai agua e kau le daydream ile pese misa le wa o to fa solo ma fofuanga Hanna pese le.
That was a great song, Misa. That was a great song.
So maybe walang alive may Misa ile story itu or peselia or Lana story. So shall we wait for next year for that story? But if ali ente
o pese mo farong mo ye ya ai farong lo le pese e pu ko so ye Misa
sui usare o pese le pe ya te usao la to ma fonga pe ya vai isa tambor vai isa ale la o su me Misa o vai viver Ua makua vela sia uma mega madiriri I whainga upore. Ai tato atu no tato taimi. Hanna, tato watu momo. Ai le ioi whapitoa. O leo te wawai atu o leo wa saulau story lunga o le staff New Zealand.
Oh.
Yes. Wele makaukia o le mea leo atu iyo e.
That's what we want.
Whaina I statu kalafi a misa tu. O le la wa heard e New Zealand atua. Lau fight. Ai mesi au se mata upu lea la walunga ia ilva o le vaenga for PCDC. Briefly, mole mawhaina e a whea le tūranga lea.
Well, very briefly, in a nutshell, this is the trust that receives a majority of government funding to help Pasifika businesses here in New Zealand. So they are responsible for the economic development of Pasifika businesses, and they receive about nearly $6 million every 1 to 2 years to deliver services. But in the last 3 to 4 years, there have been some questionable conduct by their CEO and how she's treated many Pasifika businesses disrespectfully. She's a lot of nepotism, so she's picking people she wants to give money to. And Blue Wave has previously worked with the trust before, and upon noticing and identifying the mistreatment, we stepped away, but I sent a letter to ministers, to the board, to different journalists addressing some of the issues, and I was met with a cease and desist letter by Mary Losse. So she sent me 2 legal letters saying that she will take me and the company to court if we took this to the media. And from then, I've managed to talk to their latest, their new chair. So they replaced the old chair. Shane Retty said that upon hearing who is the Minister for Pacific Peoples, upon hearing the concerns, they changed the chair. And the new chair, his name is Ulu. I've spoken with Ulu and I've shared these concerns with him. And apparently the letter that I sent the trust, the CEO was hiding it and she didn't give it to the board.
Wow.
Yes, so I was able to talk to the new chair myself and share my concern, and he was very responsive.
Have they done anything about the CEO?
Not yet. Not yet, but this is something I'm pushing for them to do something about her. But 2 changes that this new chair has done, which is really good. Previously, the money that's supposed to go to Pasifika businesses, the trust was keeping it to build their own organization and create their own workshops, but now 100% of those funds will be given straight back to Pasifika businesses.
If you don't mind, Hanna, what was the cause of it? Why was she trying? What was the reason, and for you to bring this up and bring it to light? If you can share.
The reason why I wanted to bring this to light is because they're responsible for the well-being of Pasifika people. We all pay tax,
yes,
and our tax money goes to these people to help us, businesses like Blue Wave, whatever, Pasifika businesses. If they're not doing their job properly, this will impact the well-being of our communities in the future. You know, if businesses are not being supported in the right way, that directly impacts our own people. So I chose to spoke up for that. I don't get paid for this. There's no money that comes from this, but it's for our company as well and for many other businesses. A lot of people came to me saying that they tried to navigate PBT, they tried to share their concerns as well. They were turned away. Yeah, they were left out. They were not invited to events. They were just left in the dark. Which was very sad. And so they came to me with their concerns, and they also said, can you please use your platform and your voice to help speak for us? And I did, and unfortunately she sent me legal letters, but I'm glad that at least the board now know about the concerns of those affected.
Did you get a good support from some of our partners and Pasifika leaders and businesses?
Very good support. A lot of them messaged and said that they will be supporting. Yeah.
That's good. Wow, good. Are you going to stop where it is now, or are you going to keep going until you see justice being served into this?
I'm going to keep going till I see accountability from their CEO, an apology to the businesses that she's hurt emotionally and financially, and the board should make a decision, because previously she unjustifiably dismissed 2 staff members and it costed the trust $52,000. She put people at risk during a very critical time in the economy, which was during COVID. So she has to answer for these things, and the board needs to make a tough decision if she's the right leader to guide all of our Pacifica businesses into a more prosperous future. I don't think she is.
Wow. Malu, Hanna, man.
Yeah. That was good. The official say you to who Great South Road.
Yes, they've changed to, I think, Penrose now. Penrose, yes.
No wonder, because for Puipuia, what they call the Pacific Trust. But
what's Pacific Trust? What's their purpose and what's their focus? Are they meant to help us?
Yeah. They're meant to help us. They're the economic development agency for Pacifica.
So they get a lot of funding, millions of funding from the government. Are they helping us? That's the question.
They're supposed to.
I mean, are they realistically, are they helping us?
Well,
or are they helping who they want to?
They are helping who they want to. And there's not enough data or information of their reporting of their progress for us to access because they keep that hidden.
Wow.
So there's so many things that need to be changed. The new chair has changed that. He said all reports, everyone can now read it. So they can't hide it and keep it to themselves, which is what they've been doing.
Has this been escalated to the minister, to the government kind of level?
Yes.
And will it be?
Yep. So, it's been taken to Shane Ritty. Upon Shane Ritty's understanding, he changed the chair.
Wow.
And the Ministry for Pacific Peoples are also informed because MPP gives this money to the trust. So they've decided from whatever reasoning that they have that this is the trust that should be responsible and can deliver those works.
Thank you, Hanna. Absolutely. Yeah, they like falling on my own disappear. I don't dialogue to Manada. But the two for you to have day what my water bring up limit out. With much respect, if I pay for you to know, like, do we think out when I'm Ivangani? O Samoa, Melele, Utifi, Langolango. Malia, your tattoo Tagataisi Tami. Langa to a 4 year Dalai Langolango video for Lea humble video. O telo Samoa ye ma ole upumoni. E faongale ngo Samoa mal Pacifica su e me manga oi. Moya. Ma velanta to faingonga me ya Pacifica
Trust.
Ya la koilo mangeme o business trust wa umangema o me faonga Pacifica. Au kangaka ye ko o fia pala langi ngo merkasi. Elefia fia Pacifica. E fia la e ave ia funding sanga i pisingisia para langi e ave i ma fia kangaka i para langi ai a fia kuku positions ngai ngo mai le fa nakar Pacifica. It's about time mo ka ko fo New Zealand ma Australia ma se fo ia America or Malu tele out no to New Zealand. It's about time for us to wake up as well. Le fo na ya laina ia kaika e le o se si ku e sili ia ku e sili fo no ka do fa e nga isa out palangi mo foi la e le ngi so kanga fo ngai le to no wa it means no yes it means yes au kama ia e shall my dream ai sa fa ilo i tonu ngalo lola io tangata na batu ai se kanga ka o filosofia inga lela maloa fa malo mo dia tu fa thank you very much and keep doing that o le wa vai lo wa Hitler story lo mai stuff New Zealand you know and te le support le to mate fo yo ya ile langolongo sua le fionga le pursili ole au nanga ya me fo yo o tatu wa purukala me and if whatever reason mo mi ai le sosoni we are open to talk discussions about this.
Absolutely.
Malo